So here we have some beef ribs. Let's put these puppies on. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh, fall off the bone ribs. Oh, wow. Who doesn't love that? Whoa, guys. You guys see that? All right, let's put the heat to medium. A little medium heat. Let's cover it. Let it do its thing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. These beef ribs are done. We got some barbecue sauce on it. All right. Let me show you what barbecue sauce I use. I use a sugar-free G. Hughes Smokehouse honey flavored barbecue sauce. Let's see how good this is, guys. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this all week. Let's go, baby. Maui out.